those places were open. I never made it. Anyway, I just want to say thank you again for being here. I want to say thank you to the staff at Taj Lounge for their hospitality. Trish, Des, Dolores, Marilyn, Patrick, and the others. Thank you so much. I want to say thank you to the Disco Party fundraiser team. Terry at the door, Leslie at the door, Cheryl, our fundraiser, Vivian, who's not here, Terrence, another fundraiser, Mark. Mark is at the table in the front. If you haven't signed the guest list, and if you'd like to be informed about Disco Party fundraiser events, sign up on the mailing list, please. The next party is September 16th, right here at Taj, with our DJ Trevor Fox. Thank you, Trevor, for the music. All right, I think that's it. This is a really brief announcement. I just want to say, again, we're raising money for the Saxon Foundation, which supports not-for-profits in the arts and education. We gave a grant to the Balance Dance Theater this year at our last party, and we'll be supporting more charities next year in 2012. So you know how we do. We're going to do the Soul Train line, and I just say thank you again for being here, and let's do the Soul Train line. Thank you.